How to create an energy flow diagram using Sankey chart in Google Sheets. Introduction to Sankey chart. Select the Sankey chart. Select the sheet holding your data. Once the sheet is selected, steps 2 and 3 will be automatically populated. Click on the Create Chart button. Sankey chart is successfully created. How to configure a chart. Sankey chart data requirements. You need between 2 and 15 columns of categorical data to create a Sankey chart. Categorical data definition: it describes a characteristic or a category of data. It takes on values that are names or labels. Categorical data is also called qualitative data. You need 1 column of numerical data to create a Sankey chart. Numerical data definition: it is in the form of numbers and is numeric in nature. It can be counted or measured, and can be arranged in a logical order. Numerical data is also called quantitative data. Important: Sankey chart will only accept data in columns as shown in the image on the right. Select the Sankey chart. Select the sheet holding your data from Sheet Name drop-down. Note: Header Row checkbox is checked because data contains header row. Once the sheet is selected, steps 2 and 3 will be automatically populated. You can refresh data sheet columns. You can skip the data column. You can set row values in the start row and end row text boxes. When all required selections have been made, the Create Chart button will become active. Click on the Create Chart button. Sankey chart is successfully created. How to edit a chart. Click on the Edit Chart button. Click on the chart header pen to edit the properties. Then enter the header text. Click on the Apply button. Click on the Node Properties pen to edit the properties. Click on the Node section to change the color of the node. Click on the Apply button. You can set the color of all nodes. Click on the Save button. How to export a chart. Click on the Export button to export chart in SVG, PNG, JPG, or PDF. The exported chart file will appear in the Downloads folder. How to add a chart to a sheet. Click on the Add Chart to Sheet button to add chart image in sheet. How to install ChartExpo add-on. Click on the Extensions menu. Install ChartExpo add-on. Enhance your charting experience with advanced charts. An add-on is software that adds new features into Google Sheets. How to install ChartExpo video is available in iCard, located in top right corner. Video link is also provided in the description below. Please click on More. Once the ChartExpo add-on is installed, it should display an Extensions menu. Click on the Charts, Graphs and Visualizations by ChartExpo. Click on Open submenu. Click on the Add New Chart button. Select a chart from ChartExpo chart list. We appreciate your business. Thank you. Please remember to subscribe to our channel.